Fumed is our tannin reactive product. It is going to react with the tannin content in the wood, and it's going to give it an aged gray look. It's entirely dependent on the tannin content in the wood. Just be aware that even boards from the same exact tree can have different tannin content, amounts of tannin in it, and it could look completely different. One could look slightly gray, one can turn so gray with a shade of blue to it, so it's entirely dependent. Other species that don't have any tannin will not react at all. So I think I've driven that point home quite well at this point.
So product is mainly used in white oak, and for that reason, for the content of the tannic acid in the wood. So application very similar to pre-color easy pre-aging. You can apply with a with a Petco, or you can spray it on.
And check out, as soon as I put it on, it reacts. It's pretty neat actually. So it's just a clear white liquid.
Right before your eyes, is already turning gray. So dry time on this is the same, 24 to 36 hours. Let it dry, and then you have to neutralize it with water. So you just get a rags, wet and moist with water, and neutralize it. Let it dry again, and then it's ready for application of the Oil Plus 2C. You can use any of the 40 colors Oil Plus 2C on top of it, and that's it.
Yeah. 36 hours after Fumed was applied, we came back with a wet rag, and we just ran it over the top. That neutralizes it. It has dried since then, and we are ready to apply Oil Plus 2C. Similar process as the other pre-treatments. You're just going to apply a little bit of the oil and apply it as normal for Oil Plus 2C. So we'll go pretty quick on this application because I think at this point you guys fully understand.
So remember, the Fumed is a reactive stain. It's the only reactive stain that we carry. Application you guys saw yesterday how it went. And you wait 5 minutes, and then we wipe off the excess.
And here you are. This is Fumed with white 5%. Thanks so much.